A piece of nut, please.
First of all, look at this. Videos like this are getting millions of views. You can check it yourself. This type of channel is going viral, and almost every video has millions of views. And today, you can also create videos just like this in HD high quality, in a very easy way. Watch every part of this video carefully. Do not miss any part. Every part of this video is important. If you miss any part, you will not understand it properly. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and like the video. I will keep bringing more viral methods like this for you. So, let's get started. So, what you need to do first is open ChatGPT. I will give you a prompt in my YouTube description or in the YouTube comments section. You just need to copy it from there. I'm pasting the prompt and you simply have to copy it. I'll provide this prompt in the YouTube comments section. After copying it, open ChatGPT again and paste the prompt there. Once you paste it, ChatGPT will generate 10 amazing and powerful video ideas according to that prompt. It depends on you. If you want more ideas, you can ask for 20 or even 25 ideas. After that, we'll create videos like the ones I'm showing you.
Wow.
For example, you can see a video where an animal appears standing on a hand or on top of fingers. If we want to create videos like that, we can slightly modify the prompt. For example, I can add something like, add an animal standing or climbing on the man's hand or finger. Add this in every prompt, and then click Next. It will generate an updated prompt. You can copy that updated prompt and use it to create the exact type of videos you want. If you want to make videos similar to the ones I made before, like an animal appearing in your hand, you can easily do that using this prompt. It's a very powerful and useful prompt. You can create as many videos as you want with it. I'll show you step by step how to actually create the video. For now, just copy these prompts and save them somewhere safe so you can use them anytime. If you want to use a voice in your video, there is a free tool for generating AI voice. The tool's name is Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. It is one of the best tools for generating AI voice, and you can use it for free. On unlimitedai.tools, you can also create free AI images, but here I will teach you how to generate AI voice for free. If you cannot find the tool, please comment below and I will share the link with you in the comments. This tool gives daily free credits so you can create AI voice for free every day. Believe me, it's very useful. Now, open the AI text-to-speech generator. I will copy the ChatGPT prompt and paste it here. Then you can select any voice you like. There are many voices available, such as Blaze, Alex, and many more. Blaze and Alex are very good voices, but just to explain, I will select any voice. After selecting the voice, click on Generate. Remember, you can generate up to 1,000 words at one time. If your script is longer than 1,000 words, you can divide it into 4 parts and generate the complete voice in sections. Now the voice is ready, and you can listen to it.
Pixar-style 3D animated glass jar filled with red salsa.
In this way, your AI voice is created successfully. And now, we will create the AI video. Now, to create the video, the first website we are going to use is called Google Flow. Let me type it here. When you click on Google Flow, the first result will be flowlabs.com. Open that website. Once you open it, you will see the option Create with Flow. Just click on it. We are going to create the video for free, so simply click on that option. After clicking it, a new page will appear. Again, click on Create with Flow, and then log in using your Gmail ID. Once you log in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Click on Get Started. After that, click on the New Project option. When you click on it, it will take a few moments to load. Now, I will paste the prompt here. I'll copy the prompt and paste it into the prompt section. Then, in the video section, select Video. Choose the size you want. For example, I'll select Landscape. After that, I'll choose VO 3.1 because the quality is very good. Then, click on Send. It will take a little time to process, not too long, and your video will start generating. Make sure you watch the video completely, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. After a short time, you can see the video has been generated. Let me play it and show you. As you can see, it's an amazing and high-quality video. Exactly the kind of video we wanted to create. Now, I will copy and paste another prompt here. In a few moments, the second video will also start generating. You can see here it shows 70 credits, and it says credits refresh daily. That means you will receive daily credits automatically, so you can create videos every day for free. It's a very good website. As you can see, the second video is also ready, and it looks amazing. Now, let's move to the second website where we can create these videos for free. Now, let's move to the next website where we can create AI videos. It's a very good and powerful website called gok.com. This is an amazing platform where you can create many videos completely for free. First, click on the Imagine option. One of the best advantages of this website is that it automatically adds background audio and music for you. You just need to upload or paste your prompt. Once you paste the prompt, it will automatically generate the video with background music and everything included. That's why many people are now using this website, because it's free and very easy to use. Next, you will see video options at the bottom. Click on the video option, then choose the size according to your needs. Select 9:16 if you want to create Reels or YouTube Shorts. Select 16:9 if you want to create a YouTube long video. Now, simply copy your prompt and paste it there. After a short time, you will see the results. It generates very impressive previews. You can choose the one you like the most. For example, I prefer the second video because the result looks better. In the same way, you can copy and paste another prompt and the next video will start generating. You can create unlimited videos like this. Just keep copying and pasting your prompts one by one, and your videos will keep getting ready. Now all my videos are ready, and the next step is to edit them. Last, I will use CapCut to edit the video, because CapCut is a very good software for video editing. It is easy to use, free, and packed with amazing features like filters, effects, music, and smooth transitions. It is perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I will upload my video in CapCut and edit it properly. I will also add video effects, transitions, background music, and some color adjustments. After adding all the effects, my video will be completely ready. You can see the final result now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, please message me in the comments and I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Next time, I will bring another new method for you.